Introduction. Hi, my name is Vicky, and welcome to this series focused on becoming a full-stack developer. In this series, we will be diving into Angular, Spring Boot, and PostgreSQL. By the end of this series, we'll build a complete project using Angular and Spring Boot. If you're new to Angular or Spring Boot, don't worry. I promise that by following along with this series, you'll become proficient in these technologies. What is a framework? Before we get into any specific language or framework, let's first discuss what a framework is. A framework is like a toolbox filled with ready-made tools and guidelines that help you build projects without starting from scratch. It provides a foundation and structure for your application, so you don't have to recreate basic features like handling user input, connecting to databases, or managing the flow of your application. Example: imagine building a house. A framework would be like having a set of plans, tools, and prefabricated parts that make the construction process easier and faster than if you had to design and build everything from scratch. In web development, frameworks like Angular, React, and Spring Boot provide a structured approach and tools that make building web applications more efficient. Why choose Angular and Spring Boot? Before choosing any framework, it's important to consider one key factor: support and community. If you get stuck with a problem, you need to be able to find help easily. Both Angular and Spring Boot have strong community support and extensive documentation, making them reliable choices. You might have heard of other frameworks like React when searching online. So why choose Angular? Comprehensive framework. Angular provides everything you need in one package, unlike React, which often requires additional libraries for routing and state management. Easy to learn with TypeScript. Angular uses TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, which makes it easier to learn and helps catch errors early in development. This is often seen as a more robust option compared to plain JavaScript used in React. Maintained by Google, Angular is backed by Google, ensuring it receives regular updates and has a strong future ahead. Component-based architecture. Angular's component-based structure makes it easy to organize and manage your application, making it easier to learn and build scalable projects. On the back-end side, Spring Boot is a framework for Java lovers. It simplifies Java development by providing pre-configured templates and reducing the amount of boilerplate code required to get started. By choosing Angular and Spring Boot, you'll be working with some of the most popular and powerful tools in the industry, which are perfect for building robust and scalable applications. Let's get started and dive into learning these technologies together. So we all meet in next video, so keep wait and watch it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.